Welcome to Affiliate AI, the YouTube channel that helps beginners start their own affiliate marketing business and earn extra income with the assistance of AI technology. In today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, what it is, how it works, and why it can be a profitable business model. So, if you're interested in making money online and being your own boss, then keep watching. What is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing model where the affiliate gets paid only when they successfully refer a customer to the merchant. Affiliate promotes someone else's product or service and earns a commission for each sale or action generated through their unique affiliate link. How does affiliate marketing work? Let's break down the process of affiliate marketing step by step. First, the affiliate signs up for an affiliate program or network, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Then, the affiliate selects a product or service to promote that aligns with their niche and target audience. The affiliate receives a unique affiliate link to promote the product, which tracks the clicks, sales, and commissions generated by the affiliate's efforts. The affiliate then creates content, such as blog posts, videos, social media posts, or email campaigns, that promotes the product and includes their affiliate link. When a customer clicks on the affiliate's link and makes a purchase or completes a desired action, such as filling out a form or signing up for a trial, the affiliate earns a commission. Why is affiliate marketing a profitable business model? There are many reasons why affiliate marketing can be a profitable business model for beginners. First, it's low cost to start since you don't have to create or own the product yourself. Second, you don't have to handle any customer support, refunds, or shipping, which makes it a passive income stream. Third, there are thousands of affiliate programs and products to choose from in various niches, so you can find something that aligns with your interests and skills. Fourth, the potential for earning high commissions is unlimited, depending on the product and the affiliate program's commission structure. And finally, affiliate marketing can be done from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection, which means you can work from home or while traveling. Conclusion. So, there you have it, an introduction to affiliate marketing for beginners. Want to know how to succeed in this business? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.